Welcome to Online Business Management, a crash course for your maximum business growth. My name is Kai Ture, owner of KC Enterprises and founder of KC Enterprises Business Institute. I have a number of years of experience in project management and business management, both online and offline. At KC Enterprises, we help businesses stick to our motto: plan, implement, and grow. Plan your projects, implement everything you've planned out, not just plan and let your project sit there. And because you've planned properly and implemented said plans, this will lead to positive and consistent business growth. This is what I bring to my business, my clients' businesses, and now I'm bringing to your business. Business management encompasses every and all activities required to run a company. This includes, but not limited to, leading, monitoring, organizing, and planning. Online business management is all of these tasks, but online. These days, having an online business, whether fully online or half on and half brick and mortar, requires an alternative form of management. What does that mean? That means I'm going to teach you how to manage your company online, as there are differences between online management and offline management. So in this course, we're going to discuss scheduling, time management, and outsourcing, all of which are important parts of online business management. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.